हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू सौरभ सर्स क्लासेस। मेरा नाम अश्मिता है और आज के क्लास में हम लोग नुमालीगढ़ रिफाइनरी लिमिटेड का जो एंट्रेंस एग्जामिनेशन है फॉर द पोस्ट ऑफ जीईटी, दैट इज द इंजीनियर ट्रेनी पोस्ट, for the accounts officer post and for the assistant accounts officer post, we are going to discuss about the entrance exam pattern as well as the syllabus. ये मोस्टली जुलाई मंथ में इसका नोटिफिकेशन निकलता है एंड यू शुड बी acquainted with the official website. You should be visiting the official website during the months of July and August to fill up the application form, to check the notification and to see the latest modified updates. इसका जो एग्जामिनेशन है ये मोस्टली सितंबर में कंडक्ट होता है हर साल। इसका जो ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट है वो है www.nrl.co.in। ये ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट है एंड यू कैन गो देयर एंड चेक द लेटेस्ट अपडेट्स फ्रॉम दिस एग्जामिनेशन एंड एनी काइंड ऑफ नोटिफिकेशंस इफ यू वांट टू चेक यू शुड बी फॉलोइंग दिस वेबसाइट ओनली। सो आज हम डिस्कशन करेंगे अबाउट द सिलेबस एंड अबाउट द पैटर्न ऑफ दिस एग्जाम। सो मोस्टली जो नॉन टेक्निकल सब्जेक्ट्स होता है इस एग्जामिनेशन में वो बहुत ही स्मॉल पार्ट कैरी करता है, बहुत ही कम वेटेज होता है उसका इस एग्जामिनेशन में, लेकिन वेटेज तो होता है, मतलब आपको पढ़ना पड़ेगा एंड ओनली देन यू कैन सिक्योर गुड मार्क्स इन दिस एग्जामिनेशन। तो इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन से आपको क्वेश्चन मिल सकता है, हिस्ट्री, कल्चर, पॉलिटिक्स, अवार्ड्स एंड ऑनर्स, इकोनॉमिक साइंस, करंट इवेंट्स, ज्योग्राफी, बुक्स, इंपॉर्टेंट फाइनेंशियल एंड इकोनॉमिक न्यूज, sports and games, important days, then current affairs, that is both national as well as international, then abbreviations, science, inventions and discoveries. You are also getting questions from the English language portion, that is spotting the errors, fill in the blanks, synonyms, homonyms, antonyms, then spellings, detection, like misspelled words you have to detect, then idioms and phrases, one word substitution, improvement of sentences, active passive voice of verbs, then conversion into direct indirect, then narration and shuffling of sentences in a passage, then close test, comprehension passage. You will also get questions from reasoning and numerical ability part, that is you can get questions from topics like statement, argument, then puzzles, seating arrangements, statement and assumptions, coding and decoding, syllogism, statement and conclusions, data sufficiency, rankings, machine input and output, direction sense test, then blood relations. So mostly यही रहता है for the non-technical portion. Let us move over to the technical portion, that is there is separate syllabus for each type of graduate engineer trainee, that is be it mechanical, civil or any other subject or discipline. The NRL GET syllabus for mechanical includes engineering mechanics, then strength of materials, theory of machines, design of machine elements, fluid mechanics, then thermodynamics, power plant engineering, refrigeration and air conditioning, turbo machinery, engineering materials, metal casting, forming processes, joining processes, operations, metrology and inspection, operations research, inventory control, production planning and control, manufacturing analysis, tool engineering, metrology and inspection. Now, if you are from chemical engineering portion, then NRL graduate engineer trainee syllabus for chemical includes process calculations and thermodynamics, fluid mechanics and mechanical operations, heat transfer, mass transfer, then chemical reaction engineering, instrumentation and process control, plant design and economics, chemical technology. Now, if you are from instrumentation, then NRL GET syllabus for instrumentation engineering includes basics of circuits and measurement systems, transducers, mechanical measurement, industrial instrumentation, then analog electronics, digital electronics, signals, systems and communication, then electrical and electronic measurements, then control systems and process control, analytical, optical and biomedical instrumentation. Now, if you are from electrical field, then NRL graduate engineer trainee syllabus for electrical includes electric circuits and fields, signals and systems, electrical machines, then power systems, control systems, electrical and electronic measurements, analog and digital electronics, then power electronics and drives. Numaligarh Refinery Limited graduate engineer trainee for civil. Examination include topics like civil engineering, materials and construction, then solid mechanics, structural analysis, concrete technology, reinforced concrete structures, then steel structures, PSC structure, fluid mechanics, hydrology and water resources engineering, hydraulic structures, then soil mechanics and foundation engineering, then transportation engineering, environmental engineering, surveying, bridge engineering, estimation, costing and specifications, then construction and project management, environmental studies. So that was the entire syllabus discussion of the different fields or disciplines of NRL-GET. Now we are going to discuss about the exam pattern, like how much marks has been allotted to each of these sections. So mostly the NRL-GET examination is a computer based examination that consists of objective type questions. So multiple choice questions, and 80% of the questions will be in section A. There would be no negative marking. So there would be 4 sections actually in this exam. Section A will deal with your technical or professional knowledge, that is your own discipline subject, which will carry 80% of the questions. So you should be absolutely well known with your own discipline, that is your own subject. Section B will deal with general knowledge or about the current affairs. Then section C will deal with English language. Section D will deal with reasoning and numerical ability. So this section B, section C and section D will altogether have 20% weightage in the exam. So you can understand which portion is very much important for you and which portion is little important for you. Candidates qualifying in the computer-based test in order of merit will be called for group task and or for personal interview. So basically there's 85% weightage in the computer-based test, there's 5% weightage in the group task, there's 10% weightage in the personal interview, and the final score is actually a combined score of कंप्यूटर बेस्ड टेस्ट प्लस ग्रुप टास्क प्लस पर्सनल इंटरव्यू. सो कोई भी एंट्रेंस एग्जामिनेशन हो, प्रिपरेशन तो आपको लेना ही पड़ेगा, एंड विदाउट प्रॉपर प्रिपरेशन इट्स जस्ट नॉट पॉसिबल टू क्रैक एनी काइंड ऑफ कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जामिनेशन और एनी काइंड ऑफ एंट्रेंस एग्जामिनेशन. If you want a proper guidance for your examination, then you need the guidance of our teachers. We at Saurabh Classes provide you with soft study materials. We provide you with live classes, regular classes, full-fledged classes. We also provide you with doubt clearing classes. We also provide you with crash course facilities. Then we also provide you with scholarships. And we also give you the access to the portal of our recorded lectures. That is, we actually record the live classes and keep it in the form of pre-recorded lectures in our portal, and we provide you with the access. The access is 24/7 and you can view those lectures as many times as possible if you are having any kind of problem. And you can also join our classes for mock tests if you want, because mock tests are very much mandatory, because you need to understand the exam environment, like what kind of questions exactly come. Even if you solve the previous year's question papers, last minute suggestion and what kind of questions can come in the current year have a very different impact on your mind. So mock tests are very much mandatory, and especially the way the exam will be conducted, we try to take the mock test in that way. Like if the examination is conducted online, we also try to take it online, and if it is conducted offline, we try to take it offline. So do enroll in our classes. If you want more information about our classes, you can check the description box below. You will get our contact number, WhatsApp number. You can also visit Saurabh Classes website for more information about our classes. So that was all for today's class. We are going to meet once again in our next classes.